Hey guys, I'm just going to do a quick tutorial on the white model glitch in MMD, why it happens and how to fix it. So essentially it happens because of the way that the PMX files are saved. In order to make the file size smaller so that they can load faster when you put them in MMD, the texture files aren't actually saved as part of the model file itself. You've probably seen when you download models it comes with pictures like this. These are the texture files, and in the .pmx file itself, all it's got is the directory information. So basically this chain here, where it's saved on your computer. So what drive, all the folders it goes down, and it tells the model to look there, and that's where it gets the texture from. So you get the white model glitch when your textures are not saved in the right place, because the model goes looking down the directory, it finds nothing there, so it just puts white because it doesn't know what to put there. This is pretty easy to fix though, so I'm just going to run through a couple of common scenarios where it can occur, because the fixes are slightly different depending on exactly what's wrong. So let's say you've just downloaded a model, you're looking in the folder looking for your PMX file, there it is, and you go, okay, I'm going to save it in my main model folder. So you copy it, you go to your main model folder, wherever it is, and you paste it there. And you think, okay, ready to go. So you drop it in MMD, and it comes up like this. The reason it does this is because you didn't move the texture files as well. It's looking for them in here, in this folder, but there's nothing there. So in order to fix this, it's pretty easy. You go back to where you saved the zip file when you extracted it, and you copy the entire folder. So copy the whole thing, go back to your models, paste it in there, and then once you've pasted it in there, start navigating back in here, and when you drop the model in, all is well. All the texture files are in the right place. They're right here. The other scenario that comes up is more for when you're editing models rather than just downloading them and using them as is. So we're going to use this one here. Let's just say I want to change her eye color. So I go to where I saved the eye texture I want to use. Let's just go with that one. Copy it. Then navigate to wherever you keep your model bits. And you paste it there. Looking at the name, purplebirdlook2.png. Got to take note of the extension as well. Find where your eyes are on the material tab up here and change the file name. It's currently head2.png, so let's make it purplebirdlook2.png, and when we refresh it, our eyes go white. The reason for this is that it's not just the file name by itself, it's the full directory. So this bit right here, where it says text/png, it means within the folder where this model is kept, it's looking in the texture folder inside there and then looking at the file. This is also pretty easy to fix. There's two ways you can do it. The first way is just to get rid of the front bit, the texture. Now it's looking in the same folder that the PMX file is kept as, so when you refresh it, there we go. They're purple. The other way you can do it, if you want to keep all your stuff organized so that it doesn't look all messy like this, and you want to keep it all in a texture folder, you go up to your texture folder, you paste it in there. You may have to change it back to something else to refresh it. I'll just change it back to excuse me, what it was the first time. That's what it was. Now when I type purplebird2 in here, they're purple. So the bottom line is just keeping track of your files and making sure they're in the right place. If you're downloading models, just copy the entire folder where you want it saved. It keeps all the textures together. If you're editing models, make sure you check your directories properly and that everything is in order.